As a follow-up to our last video on how to boost your immunity system, especially right now with all that's going on, I promised I would show you some healthy things to eat. So today, one smoothie and one healthy snack. Let's go down that road. Hello, faithful people. I'm Maureen. Gary is at the church again. I'm going to be doing a video on how this whole coronavirus and everything has changed the way the ministry is being done now because we can't have church. So I will do a separate video on that. I think there's going to be some things that you might learn about what a pastor does and how important it is for all of us to stay safe and to eventually get this thing gone so we can go back to life as normal again. In our last video, if you missed it, it was on how to boost immunity. We talked about how to reduce stress, eating a better diet, reducing your consumption of sugar. We talked about ways to get over sugar cravings. I mean, we covered a lot in that one. And all those things can affect your immune system. So I promised that I would start showing a few more food videos. I used to do it more often in some of our videos, and sometimes I just felt the videos were already long enough. But I decided to just do the food stuff in this one. I'm going to do one smoothie and one healthy snack. Let's go. We're going to start with some frozen bananas. I have 2 frozen bananas in here, and then we're going to add some greens, several kinds of greens. I added in half a big cucumber and 3 stalks of celery and some spring mix lettuce. I added in some coconut milk. Now we're going to blend it. I'm going to start it on medium first. And now I'm going to bump it up to high. Hold your ears. There we go. Had to get through those bananas. I added in 2 scoops of this. Now, dividing this between Gary and I, that means we're each going to get about 10 grams of protein from just the powder. And to add some zingy flavor, we're going to add some ground ginger. I'm doing this left-handed. Come on out. Come in. Come on. Yeah, okay. Let's blend that up. Do a little taste test. Yum. We're going to add just a little bit of turmeric. Just a little. Isn't that pretty? A toast to good health.
Clunk.
Not quite like wine glasses, is it?
No, but I'm sure it'll be better for us.
Yes. Well,
thank you.
Isn't that yummy? It's so creamy.
It's good.
Yeah. This is how you clean it. Just put it on low and put some dish soap in it with some warm water. And the dish soap, I started it out, it was down here. And it's just going on up until it gets to the very top. And then I shut it off. There's our house. Even if the weather was warm enough that we could move back in, there's a lot of truck stops closed where we would normally dump our tanks. There are a lot of restrictions on travel right now. So we're just gonna stay put in the apartment for a little longer until some things settle down, and then we can move back into our house again. Really looking forward to being in our tiny house. Well, I hope you liked that video. You might have looked at that one with the radishes and the apples and the guacamole and gone, really? You might even be saying the same thing about the smoothies. But really, until you try it, don't knock it. They're really good. And I do not pay Gary to give me the thumbs up, just so you know. Check out our Facebook page, Roads of Faith. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that red button down below. And next to it, a bell's gonna pop up and you can ring that bell and then you'll be notified every time new videos come up, so you don't miss any. We've got more food things coming up, and as well as how the ministry has changed things, and boy, it's really an interesting time. But God is in control. Until next time, God bless.